You looking for a dream escape right here in Columbus County? Welcome to 250 Waccamaw Shores at Lake Waccamaw. This hidden gem offers both lake living and unbelievable value. Today, I'm going to take you on an exclusive tour of this amazing property that's listed at only $299,000. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Hey folks, I'm Brett Baxley, your local real estate agent here in Columbus County. Remember, from Columbus to the coast, I'm your guy. And today I'm excited to bring you a beautiful home that brings you a lot at 250 Waccamaw Shores Road. It has everything. It's got canal views, it's got modern updates, and it's got a boat dock. Let's go take a look. Built in 1993, this home sits on a spacious half-acre lot with plenty of room for outdoor fun. Whether it's a future pool or backyard barbecues, you've got endless potential. How often do you find a property at this price with direct access to the water? Imagine launching your boat from your own dock, setting out for an adventurous day on the water. Step inside, and the first thing you'll notice is this bright and airy Carolina room. Perfect for relaxing, soaking up sunlight, or hosting family gatherings. New flooring gives this home a fresh, modern feel. And with nearly 2,000 square feet of heated space, there's no shortage of room for comfortable living. This kitchen has plenty of counter space and cabinet space. It's ideal for family dinners and for entertaining guests. You also got 3 bathrooms, including a primary ensuite that has its own private bath. And with 3 full bathrooms, everybody's got their own room. Lake Waccamaw isn't just a location, it's a lifestyle. Imagine waking up every day surrounded by nature's beauty, enjoying lake activities year-round, all while being just a short drive from amenities in downtown Whiteville and less than 30 minutes from Wilmington also. So whether you're looking for a full-time residence, a vacation home, or an investment property, 250 Waccamaw Shores offers you the perfect opportunity to experience lake life without breaking the bank. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Lake properties at this price are rare and they don't last long. Call me today and let's schedule your private tour. Let's make 250 Waccamaw Shores Road your next home. All right, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with any friends you got that maybe they've been talking about starting a lake life themselves. All right, I'll see you at the lake on the next video.